Hello YouTube fans, this is my second video of my custom Lego action figures. This time I'm making a Lego Star Wars action figure review. This is a review of my custom made Captain Rex. Really cool figure. You can see here like this thing, so you can see like far away, you can see the Clone Wars. Commander Bly has it too. Really cool thing. Like, man, his detail. Like you can see the helmet of Captain Rex. You can see like this thing right here. The other thing, like really cool detail thing. Took like me like 10 minutes to make this. And, like, here comes the real pieces of Captain. And I paint this thing blue. Like, if you could buy a Clone Walker battle pack, it's like all black. So I just used whiteout and put blue stuff here in the back too. You can see there. Like this, I painted the hands blue, really blue, with some CD marker. All the blue I painted with CD marker, and it's really cool blue too. And you can see like if the little like where he puts his pistols, but this thing doesn't have it. So like I painted white on all the things right here. Like you can see there. I painted with blue thing. It's really awesome. And like face, it's a really cool face. Just stick here. Really cool face. I'm gonna show you how to make it too. Like, first you need a clone face, clone helmet, and some visors. Oi. Oh, sorry about that. My mom was calling me. Here's the shoulder pants, 2 pistols, and a chrome body, with black hands. See there? So first, you get this pants, and you paint it blue all the way here, so you could do that. And then you could just put it like this, or sitting down. It's already blue. Really cool. So like, you get this thing, you put it white out here, you just trace it a little bit all the way. When you're done, let it dry about like 3 minutes or less. Like, you paint it blue, and you put it in here, and you get to like this clone body. It's white, so like you paint all this blue in here too, and then like you put this soldier, you get the soldier pad and everything, and then you get some white on, just put it in there in the little last square here, and you just paint it blue. Let the white out dry for like 2 or less minutes. And then just put it there, and then like when it's dry, you just put it in and just get the face, and you get the regular clone helmet, and you do this with those things the clone captain has, some weird things. So you just cut and just paint it blue, put white out everything, and then just scratch this thing off. Really cool thing. So like you just scratched it off and everything. It's a really cool. And then like you painted the detail right here. You paint it like this. Like, you put the thing here, and you get the Clone Captain pistols and everything. You get the Clone Captain pistols here. Just put them there, and there you go. Your Captain Rex thing. Yeah, really cool. Thank you, YouTube. Bye.